This is our car. Josh, go to the car. Vince, over here. Here's our car. There's the car.
Alright, let's see what happens when I put it on water.
Say hi to Casey and Boo Boo
Hi,
and
Casey,
everybody
Boo Boo.
there.
Hi, Daphne, if you're gonna watch this, I'm not sure about Daphne. I'm gonna see if it's gonna melt in water.
How about Giovanni? Hello.
Oh yeah, sorry Giovanni, hi. Oh,
Say this is our say this is our house.
This is our house, our apartment. Mom told me to say that.
Running. There's the train.
Train right up there. They call it Max. Maxwell House. Just get the ones from our car. That's our car and that's our car. I like this small one.
Uy, wow. That's a lot.
I have to save a little bit. Why would there be a fire alarm during a snowy day?
Joshua. It's baliktad. This one.
I'm gonna dribble. Oh. Powder.
Vincent, that's somebody's car. Vincent.
Oh, Vincent, don't do that. No, Vincent, that's not yours. It's like a river, Mom. It's like a river here. Wow. Mom, it's really like a river. I'm not sure if the camera can really see it. Right there. Let's see what happens. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, let's go, guys.